not sure what this video is going to be about. It's just a video. Let's see, trade me. Oh yeah, they have that. I think I have 2, something like that. Do not put caps, please, and do not get angry. Okay. This person has a good trade list, so now I don't know how they got it. What is this? Let's see. What is this? Oh, thank you. Hold on a second. Okay, so this person. Hold on. Now I have to recycle something. That was not the way I was trying to go. Go in. Oh, I hate recycling things. Something I really don't want. That's impossible because there's like... I don't know what's beta and what's not, and what's valuable and what's not. This stinks. If you guys could help me out on some of this, I'd be really grateful because some beta I don't know what's valuable or not. So... hold on a second. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Interesting. Oh, bandana. Okay. What happened to it? What the? The thing is, I'm going to recycle the necklace as soon as I get it because I have too many items. I am grateful for that. I'm sorry. That is what a nice buddy does. I'm sorry, buddy, that I had to do it. I feel like a terrible. I'm not going to trade that necklace. I'm not going to give away that necklace because it's the first thing I ever got. I have such a bunch of reasons. Okay. Is that what they get chocolate sours? Okay, sure. Mad Scientist here. Flat. Oh my god, they have that? Really? I did not know they had that. Okay, I want Mad Scientist here. I haven't even heard of it. How do you get it? I hope it's not ripped off. Because I'm not good at trading at all. Yep. Yeah, probably worth more than it. Okay. Trade me unwanted on trade. Okay, I really... Thing is, I didn't really want... What do you say? I didn't go through an ice cream shop. Okay. Trades beta. Sunshine. There's something on your list. Oh wait, are you talking? Somebody else talking. I'm kind of confused. These are beta? Pizza boxes are beta? That's beta? That's beta? That's beta? That's beta? Because I have that. This. No. This. I know that's not beta. I don't know they're selling it. That's not beta. They're selling it, but... Oh, barrel. Wait, what did you have on trade again? What did you have on trade again? No, wait. That was like somebody... Wait, hold on. Hold on a second. Okay. Click. We can do this. Oh, let me now. Because I was. Oh, beta. I think they should make any beta item say beta right on it. Because I am honestly. I'm not caught up enough with Animal Jam to be able to tell what is beta and what is not. You've been reported. What? Why are you reporting people? I don't care. Why are you shouting? Drama! You make me... What? You make me sick? What? I've been reported almost 200 times and have not been banned. What the? Go Paul. Who is this person? 200 times? That's a lot. Bunny is coming back. I'm sorry. What level can you get to and eat up? Oh. I'm not playing it today. No. Stop fighting. Oh, computers. Be quiet. Push little piece. He mad I don't accept him for trades. He likes all members. I'm kind of confused at this point. Yeah, I have this weird glitch where when I type in I'm, the M gets capitalized and I don't know. Oh, these. I don't know what happened to her. I feel like. I think that's good. I remember one time, once this person's dead, they're like, oh, I'm giving away a rare spike. And pretty much all... sorry, I'm doing 5 million things up. Okay, slow computer. Oh, I completely forgot. Okay. Anyway, white people. What the? These days. care. You shouldn't be racist in any direction. You know? I don't care if it's a black person being racist or a white person being racist or Hispanic, or I really don't care. It's not cool. I'm sorry, I really do not have a hundred. Anyway, back to what I was saying about the scammer. Okay, somebody's at my dad. Sheesh. Oh my god. Back to what I was saying about the scammer. So me and this other person went to the person's den, right? So, like, they're like, okay, do a practice trade for it, and they had a necklace on trade, and then I'll give it to you. And then we were like, you can't really trust somebody if they do that. And the person was like, noob, and blocked us or something like that. It was kind of weird and annoying. Wow, like, I see why so many people are reporting you, okay? Well, at least I'm gonna report. I see why so many people are angry at you. So be quiet. I'm just trying to stand up for people. I don't care what gender, race, whatever you are. You could be 91 on Animal Jam. I don't really care. Although you probably wouldn't. It's a pixelated game.